चलो 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 बाबा जी चल 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 चलो चलो जल्दी 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 जल्दी
A shop away, just a store away. How amazing does she look today? When we will going to get to act in the brand industry. You have Mr. Lee, Managing Director, Industry India. Let's welcome him, please. Can we also invite Ashley Rowe, Global Marketing Head. Please join them right here. Mr. Lee, can we please request you to welcome Bipasha? Can you please welcome Ashley? She's right here. It's fantastic having her. Thank you for coming all the way from Korea.
Right side. Look here.
Question, please. Hand over bouquet to Mr. Lee as well. As quickly as you can, please. Thank you. And Mr. Lee, we would definitely want you to say something. She's right here, and we are so excited to have her here at this. What do you have to say to that?
First of all, thank you very much for being here, Sir. And I really appreciate
The opportunity to be here for the Innisfree launch. I just believe that, you know, when we were much younger and we wanted all these kind of amazing products, beauty products, skin products, we had to always travel abroad. And now everybody in Mumbai can get these products right here in Mumbai. So that's fantastic because more and more international brands are coming into India. And to have, you know, what's beautiful about skin is that you need to preserve it. You need to take care of it, not just go for shortcuts. I have always been told that I look younger by the day and my skin glows. And I must say that because I really take good care of it, and it's all natural, and it's not about, you know, using things which are chemically very harsh or anything like that. So products like Innisfree are more than welcome because they are 100% natural, and they actually look after your skin long term. So thank you very much, Innisfree team, and I hope you guys have a great run in India and in Mumbai, and all the very best to all of you.
Fantastic. Well, Bipasha, we have a lot of people right there who are very inspired because, you know, they really want to know the secret of you getting younger by the day, because we've heard that normally people get older by the day. So this is happening to you, and I think all the people here who are so excited to see you, when we started telling them Bipasha Basu was coming here, they couldn't wait. What
To everyone here, बहुत बारिश हो रही है लेकिन आप लोग फिर भी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. तो definitely, as you can see, people in Mumbai love to shop. Rains can't stop them. I'm very happy to see them here today. And like I say always, there's one thing, the way, if you want to really be happy, look good and everything, you have to love yourself. You have to do something for yourself, like, you know, use good products for your skin. Similarly, you have to stay active and do something healthy for the body. Eat healthy, work out, do something active every day, and yeah, coming back to the products again, try Innisfree out here tonight.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you, Ashley. But everybody knows her as Miss Malini. She's one of the most loved celebrity bloggers. She's also going to be joining us for a quick chat. So thank you, Ashley, for joining us. And we'll quickly get a chair for Bipasha Basu and Mr. Lee.
very much again, Sir.
Thank you.
And have you been to Korea?
I have not been to Korea yet, but I would love to love to travel. I love traveling.
Jeju Island is very fantastic island. So I think you and your husband Could you go to Jeju Island?
Yeah, absolutely. Me and Karan would love to visit Jeju Island for sure because the kind of I've heard it's very beautiful and such amazing products coming out of Jeju Island. I definitely, being au naturel and we love the nature, would love to visit.
Thank you. And what do you feel when you saw our store first time? Yeah. What do you feel when you saw our
Oh, when I see
Yeah.
the store?
Yeah.
Yes. I will definitely take out time and come back again because I need to spend time with each product. And I also told her that, you need to send me more of the products to try out because they all seem so interesting.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lee. And I think we've had a very interesting chat. She's definitely going to Jeju Island. For everybody who's not going there, you can take a glimpse right here in this store right here. That's the Innisfree brand. And now we have the media Q&A. हमारी जो members of the media हैं.
First of all, Bipasha, you look absolutely stunning. I think you're wearing the very Innisfree color as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm in theme.
I love it, absolutely. So thank you guys. We're going to have a little Q&A that a lot of your fans have sent in as well, and then play a little game. But you guys have to be a little bit quiet so that you can hear her answers, okay? So first, everyone wants to know.
So ladies and gentlemen, there you go. We have the products of Innisfree. This brand is all the way from Korea, promising you natural products that definitely help you boost your skin to give you more natural, beautiful skin.
I've got dry skin. So what's nice about it, it's soft, especially in a sticky place like Bombay, you need something soft on your skin at the same time stay hydrated. So that's something which is easy to use, and I think it's one of the best sellers that they have. So that's the first thing that came to me, and it's fantastic. Must have.
Now, all girls have this problem. We have so many products. We take them all home and we have like a pile of them with us, So what makes Innisfree different for you as a user? Because I have the same thing. I have this really nice, Innisfree Select
100% natural. And in today's time, everything that you're getting is so loaded with so many chemicals, and they're very harsh in the long run. So what you need to use is something that's going to preserve your skin. It's about long-term usage. I always believe that's my basic mantra in life, that anything that you do, it shouldn't be like just for the moment. It should have long-term effects. And I think that's what's great about Innisfree.
shows on your skin, absolutely. So my team had an Innisfree beauty workshop, and we had it at the headquarters, and they couldn't stop raving about how fresh they felt because they did this 10-step morning ritual. Now, what are the benefits?
I've not done it.
But you must know, what are the benefits of doing these rituals?
You have to invest in your skin. You can't take things for granted. So you have to give it the best and give it things, as I said, that that will look after it rather than damage it and make it just look good for the moment. So yes, morning rituals are a must, especially the business that we are a part of. We are in front of camera, lights all the time, harsh environment at times. So you need to look after yourself more.
Now you have, as a celebrity,
Keep your skin moisturized well and just put a gloss and sunglasses and you're ready. Yeah, you can tie a pony if you have a bad hair day.
That's the trick. And a fashion tip that's never failed you.
Just keep it simple. Anything simple is nice. Jeans, when in doubt, wear jeans and tee or jeans and white shirt. It's just simple, basic, and it always works.
Now you're always looking super fit and you're really about fitness as well. What do you snack on when you're hungry?
I snack on everything.
No, really?
Well, I've just come from Barcelona and I just ate a lot of cheese and yes, meat and seafood and yeah, I eat a lot. I'm a total foodie, but I do work out too. But still, I just got married, so I'm still in my honeymoon phase. I've been traveling a lot and eating a lot. Yeah, but fitness is a must for me, and I definitely will get back into the shape that I want to in the next coming month.
You look amazing. Okay, so now you have
At the time I was just laughing and I was having such a blast that I'm so heavy, I'm wearing a 25 kg ghagra and people have to carry me. But you know, all that while, you know, Karan was so intense and he had tears in his eyes, and that's a tradition called Shubha Drishti. We have to look at each other after a day. And we have really been together all the time in the last 2.5 years. And this was one day of separation, and then we finally got to see each other. It was very cute.
Does he have? How does he save your name in his phone?
Oh, Monkey.
Monkey. I love you. You have this whole monkey thing. How
Yeah,
did
he
that
calls
start?
him Monkey and I call him Monkey. Yeah, both have saved it as Monkey.
I love it. Okay, so we thought we'd play a little game with you. It's going to be really quick. Okay, so we're going to give you some iconic characters from Bollywood movies, and you have to choose
I'll fail.
one or the other. No, you don't have to answer any question. You have to pick your favorites, okay? So your favorite chocolate bar hero, is it Raj from DDLJ or Prem from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun?
Very confusing. Prem has to be because we saw Maine Pyar Kiya growing up like a zillion times.
And your favorite on-screen fashionista, is it Aisha from Aisha or Shania from Student of the Year?
You know, Shania is too young and a little kid, so it can't be my fashion icon. And they're both very cute, but I need somebody a little more mature.
Alright, your favorite bad boy, Crime Master Gogo from Andaz Apna Apna or Mogambo from Mr. India?
Crime Master Gogo. I love it.
Aankhein nikal ke
Go
gotiyan
to
khelunga. Okay, your favorite Punjabi kuri, is it Geet from Jab We Met or Anjali from K3G?
Geet.
Alright, and your favorite student, Major Ram from Mehuna or Munna Bhai from Munna Bhai MBBS?
Munna Bhai, hands down.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
so great chatting
Thank
with
you.
you.
Thank you.
And thank you for being here today. A last message that you'd like to give everyone?
Well, keep loving me, keep supporting me. I love you guys. Mwah.
Thank you so much.
मैम सो अब अपनी वेकेशन के बारे में बताइए क्या मजे कैसा मतलब क्या फन रहा क्या क्या किया आपने व्हाट्स अ वाइल्डेस्ट एडवेंचर अबाउट इट ऑफ
I think I love holidays, and every holiday is special. And this time we were in Spain, which is a beautiful country, Madrid and Barcelona. Beautiful countries must visit. I would seriously endorse. आप लोग नहीं गए हैं तो जाइए, स्पेन में बहुत मजा आएगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा क्रेजीएस्ट थिंग आपने वहाँ पे क्या किया था आप दोनों ने मिलके
क्रेजी ऐसे तो कोई क्रेजी चीज़ नहीं है. हम लोग आई थिंक वी वॉक फॉर एवरी डे वी वॉक लाइक 10-12 hours a day. It was like hectic. So बहुत चले हम लोग to basically explore the city, and that was beautiful. You know, we ate very local food, interacted with the local people, and just saw the city. It's just wonderful.
ओके
विपाशा, आप हमेशा से वुमेन को सपोर्ट करते हैं, यू स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन. इसीलिए सलमान का जो स्टेटमेंट आया
No
था.
comments on that, please. Any other question?
Okay, ma'am, recently Kareena and Saif, they are confirmed they are soon to be parents.
Yeah, I'm very happy for Kareena and Saif. Yeah. And that their family is now becoming bigger.
Okay, so post marriage आप मतलब अपने स्किन केयर की अगर बात करें तो let's talk about skin care. तो post marriage आपने कुछ अपने आप में कोई तब्दीलियां नहीं just to take care of your skin and to make more fresh.
Why?
अब आप
Why,
बताइए.
marriage stresses you or what? Are you married?
No, that's
Marriage is not stressful if you're married to the right person. So it's just, you don't have to do anything extra.
My question is to you. You've been in Spain and all. It's a football playing country. You've been a Bengali. So what any clubs you have visited and had you enjoyed?
Well, I'm a big football fan, but my husband is not. So we decided that, okay, I'm going to go easy on my little sporting Bengali side, and you know, we rather do the simple things. So I couldn't visit any football club.
Bipasha, when do we see you in Bollywood films soon?
Very soon.
Acha, and also what did Karan give to you in cosmetics and all? Anything?
No, he didn't give me any cosmetics. He thinks I don't need any cosmetics.
Did you give any tips to him for his this?
For?
Do you give tips to him
For what?
for looking more handsome?
No, no. I don't have to.
If you want to give someone out of these cosmetics, whom would you like to give?
I'll give my mother and my sisters. They're really beautiful products. I think every woman should invest in their skin, and it's really good. It's all natural. It's going to be very good for everyone's skin.
Because it's too early to talk about it, but say parenthood की अगर बात करें, what's your plan for
पसीना आ रहा है
parenthood?
parenthood के बारे में सोचना.
Still, ma'am, say any comment on that? Any
Very
comment?
tough.
Very tough.
Still time. Thank you. Thank you guys. Take care.